Hello children, good day all of you. So let me start with block 14, page number 6 to 62, okay? 6 to 62, block 14 in EVS, and here it is all about uses of plants, okay? So in the last chapter children, have you read the last chapter? It was all about plants, the types of plants. So here we are going to learn more about the uses of the plants, okay? So the plants are very important useful things for us, for all the living beings, not only for us but for all the animals also, animals, birds and all. They give us food. Where do we get food from? We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, grains, everything from plants. And even we get air to breathe. The air that we breathe in is oxygen, children, and we breathe out, right? That is carbon dioxide. You will learn in the higher classes. So the air that we breathe in, that is the oxygen, we get it from plants. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe, and they also give the wood. So you have seen the furnitures, right? The tables, the chairs, the benches, and lots of other furnitures like doors, windows, everything. It is made out of wood. So where do we get this wood from? We get this wood from the trees, the plants. So plants are very important for us, and we depend on plants for lots and lots of things. So here let us see how the animals, okay, such as the cows, the deers, the elephants and all, they depend on plants. They eat plants, right? They eat plants, they eat grasses, they eat tree leaves, they eat fruits, they eat vegetables. So they depend on plants not only for food but also for shelter. For example, shelter means we live in our houses for shelter, to protect ourselves from the rain, the heat of the sun. Yes, to live, to sleep, everything. We live in our houses. We feel safe and we feel comfortable in our homes, right children? We cannot live on streets. In the same way, the animals and the birds too, will they build the homes for themselves? No, they live in different kinds of homes that are naturally available, like caves, dens, yes, and the holes. They dig holes like rabbits, rats and all. They dig holes deep under the soil and they live there. And animals like tigers and lions and all, they live inside the dens. But what about the monkeys, birds and all children? Even honeybees and all, they build houses for themselves in the trees. So they get shelter in the trees, okay? The birds build the nest in the trees, the monkeys live on the tree branches, the honeybees build their hives, that is the home. You can see here, it is the home for the honeybees. They build the honey hives in the tree branches. And also the squirrels, children, they live around the trees and they live near the trees. So plants gives us also shade from the sun, not only for the animals but also for us. We get oxygen, right, from the plants. We also get shade, children. For example, if you have played in the park for a very long time or in the ground and all, okay, and if you want to sit for a while and take rest, you will search for the tree, right? So that you will get shade under the tree. You can sit under the tree and you will feel so cool and comfortable under the tree. So it gives us also shade from the sun, and it is also like an umbrella which protects the animals from the rain too. Okay, so here what are the food from the plants we get? Let us see. We get different types of food from the plants. It is not only fruits and vegetables but also the grains, that is the cereals, pulses. Yes, children, cereals, pulses like rice, wheat, and dal, and other grams like green grams. Not only these, okay, we eat rice, chapatis, bread, and all. They all are the food that is prepared from the grains like cereals, pulses, and all. And where do we get from sugar? From sugar cane, and the sugar cane grows in the plant. And what about oil and the coffee, tea, and all that we eat? It is all derived from the plants, that is we get it from the plants. And also nuts, okay, dry fruits and nuts and all, they are obtained from the plants, that is we get it from the plants. So here children, these are the examples of the fruits like mango, apple, banana, and vegetables, potato, carrot, onion, and there are so many others, right? Here are only few examples given in the table for the examples for food from plants. Now you know what, the oil we get it from the seeds of the plants, okay, like groundnut seeds, mustard seeds, these all are the seeds. And even the sunflower, from the sunflower the oil is done, the sunflower oil. And almond oil, okay, badam oil, that is, it is the oil we get it from almond. So I told you, like, there are so many food that is prepared and cooked which are delicious and which are tasty, and they are made up of grains, okay, grains, pulses, cereals and all. So not only that, even jam and juices also, they are prepared by the fruits, okay. So children, look, the food that we get from plants, okay, they are so tasty, they are so delicious, and we can use it in so many types of dishes. We can cook so many dishes, right, using the food from the plant. Now next, what about the uses of wood? I told you, wood we get it from the plants. And what will we do from the wood, and where will we get it? The woods are actually the thick strong stems of the plant, right? And they are called as the trunks, and they are used to make houses, to build houses which are known as wooden houses. And not only that, the books and the pencils, okay, that we use, the paper, the pencils, they all are of the wood. They are made up of furniture, and sorry, they are all made up of wood. And what is furniture, children? Furniture are nothing but the things that are made up of wood, wooden materials like tables, chairs, sofas, so many instruments and boxes, you can see them, right? So look, the wood is of so much of use, right? So many things can be made out of wood. And you know what are the other uses of plants? Like, look here, we get clothes. The clothes we get, actually it is from the plants, children. Do you want to ask how? Okay, so the cotton clothes we wear and the other fabrics we wear, fabrics means clothes, they all are the fibers that we get from the plants, okay. So you will learn about the fibers more in the higher classes. So fibers are nothing but like cotton, and even what other types of materials that we get from plants, from which we can make clothes, okay. So even jute, there are jute which are, it is a material which is used to make clothes. So not only that, you can see so many types of mats and ropes, okay, that that are very strong and all, they are made up of jute material and all, okay. So we get the materials like cotton and jute which are obtained from the plants. And you know what, plants are also used as medicines, or they are used to make medicines, children. So there are so many plants which have the, yes, which have the characteristic to cure the disease. Cure means so that it will make well, it will make something well, it will make something better when we take it. So it has the characteristic to make the thing or someone better from the sickness, to get rid of the illness. So even the tulsi plant, okay, have you heard of the tulsi cough syrup? So it is taken to get rid of the cough, right? So there are so many other medicinal plants which have the what, which have the ability to cure the diseases or illness. And you know one more thing, flowers are used for the decoration purpose, to make the place look more decorative and beautiful. Yes, during marriage functions or during any other functions, okay. So the flowers are used for the decoration purpose, and it is also used for puja. And you know what, flowers have good smell, right? It is called as scent. So it is used to make the perfumes, okay. We will use perfumes, that is, they are the liquids that we get in bottles which have nice scent, okay. So these all are perfumes which are made out of the roses or jasmine kind of flowers, which are again obtained or which are grown on plants, right? So the plants uses are so many things. And have you seen the tires in the vehicles? So they all are made up of rubber material. And where do we get the rubber material from? We get the rubber material from the plants again. Yes, and even the balloons, the gloves that we use. Gloves is the covering for the hand. We cover it for the hand. We use it, okay, to keep our hand clean, and to protect it from, like, while holding the hot things and all, they are you called as gloves. Okay, so we use it to wear it to our palms. So these gloves, balloons and all, they are made out of rubber material, which we get from the rubber plant. Which plant? Rubber plant. So these are the uses of the plants, that actually we depend on plants for so many things, and their uses are also, it is also very 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 much, okay. So their uses are also very much, we are dependent on plants for so many things, and they help us in so many ways. So I want all of you to read the lesson once or twice and listen to the lesson, so that you will understand nicely. And if you have any doubts, please share your doubts on the WhatsApp group. I'll be here to clear your doubts. So I will be giving the notes very soon. Until then, read the lesson and listen to the lesson properly and practice the hard words, children. Yes, thank you so much. Bye. Take care.